Nazarabad, you reach Gulshan Iqbal. You do what you can do, and you forget about what you cannot do. You always think about how will it happen, how will I reach Nazarabad, and you don't go even to Gulshan Iqbal thinking that I cannot reach Nazarabad. For God's sake, you know how to go to Gulshan Iqbal, you go to Gulshan Iqbal, then think about going to Nazarabad. Ask 20 people there when you have reached there. How will I go there? Now we have made these videos for that same reason. We will share it to other people. This is what my Sarpira boss is asking me to do. Anybody help me, please? How do I do this? And learn to ask questions from people. We don't know how to do it, but it doesn't mean it's impossible to do it. You have seen Avatar, you have seen iRobot, you have seen all kinds of movies. It is possible, right? How to do it? We ask people how to do it.
Just submerge yourself into a dream.
No, technically, he is worried about software and small stuff like that. It's irrelevant. You start shooting, it will come. You will understand how you out of this video. You can do a lot of things. You can take that movie. First of all, what do you want to show? Where is that shot? Do you have that shot? Do you have that shot? No. You make that shot, make it into a movie. And then on that layer you have to add another layer, right? Right now there is no movie. Is there? And that movie alone will take you 2 weeks. So get to the 2 weeks. Let's do what we can do and not worry about what we cannot do. Now this does not apply on everything. Right now this process is available to you to experiment. This is an experimental experiment. Experiment means that is after the experiment we prove something, that we can do something, and there are options to research. When you make a video profile of somebody, there is no experiment. You have already done the experiment. The experiment was on me. You made the first video profile. Thank you so much, because before that I never even thought of the profile idea. You came up with it, and after that now we know how to do it. There is no experiment anymore. Now it's already a process. The difference between a process and experiment is that when we do it for the first time, it's an experiment.
Feedback is gonna be the result.
We ask people what we learned something. After we have learned something, we convert it into a process. SOP, standard operating procedure. This is how we do it. So instead of worrying about what will happen, let's worry about what we can do right now, and at the same time, yes, think about how it will be done and keep on asking people. All you have to learn is this. I tweeted the same thing. I hope you got the SMS, which I don't think you got, which means that you're not subscribed to my SMS. It's the same exact thing. If you understand how to ask, who to ask, and when to ask the question, you already have the information, because you know who to ask. You know Sunil, you know another few documentary makers, movie makers. You can ask them, dude, I need to get this done. I have done it so far, now I'm stuck. Can you help me? That's life. Every single thing. Paki.com, same thing. You do what you can do and then worry about what you cannot do. At the same time, you're always thinking. And I guarantee you, when you do that, somebody will knock your door like this. Before you even get there, they will come and tell you this is how you will do it. Because now you're showing everyone this is what you want to do. Right now, you have not even shared the idea with yourself. Now you know what to do and you start working. Okay?
I'll stick with you a little bit and
Uncle?
get you